Let's talk about when rewards don't work and what you can do about it. This is always kind of a hot topic, rewards. We're trying to figure out how to get kids to do what we want them to do. We externalize a lot to get kids to behave in a certain way. But here's when things go wrong. Rewards can be very easily adapted to. And so when people adapt to the reward, it doesn't work anymore, and we have to reinvent it and get something else for them to work for. So the only thing you can do here is if your reward system isn't working, then you could be in that situation where the child has adapted to it and it's time to change it up. So ask yourself, before I get into a lot of reward and incentive ideas in my classroom, do I want to even go there? Because I'm going to have to really think on my feet, because every time that reward is adapted to, it's going to be rendered ineffective. So sometimes I won't even get into that reward thing in the first place. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.